ALZN stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Alzamend Neuro stock. It is 32% up, and all I'm looking at this thing is just, it's such a bearish market, and I've talked about this plenty of times before. Like, even when it was like really at the top, I was out here sticking to my bias, and guess what happened? Guess what happened? It did deliver. Right, this was made in August. Baby, this was 6 months ago. It was sitting at 422 at the time. So we went from 422, now we're 85 cents. I have nothing against this, but for me to be bullish, I first must see break above 134. And other than that, bro, it's just like one heck of a bearish market. I know like a lot of people just love to just inflate the truth in the reality, but I'm gonna stay here and just trying to stick to the pretty much truth for me. Again, it's not financial advice, it's my 2 cents. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.